Welcome back to another video, Old Tiger Jack. Today, we're going to be watching funny cat videos. I got my cat.
Salem. Little salami face, as we call her.
Okay. Now we can start the video.
Want to eat? No, it's okay. You just ate.
They wanted to introduce their new kitten to their older cat.
Check out the laser pointer.
Stop. Shut up.
Ah, I saw this one.
This cat was in trouble and yelled for backup from her big brother.
Smacked her in the face. Okay, was not expecting. Oh my god. Where did he come from? Hogwarts?
Yeah. Harry Pottery.
Yeah.
Did you get that? Oh my god.
Harry Pottery.
Oh my god.
What do you think is wrong with this cat?
Stop it.
What is that dog doing, dude?
Stop. What are you doing? Do you like your new tie?
I think he likes
It
it.
makes you
So
look
prestigious.
very handsome.
No, he's cute.
Do you stretch his special?
Oh my god.
Did you hear the sound?
Yeah.
What just happened?
Huh?
Oh no.
Oh,
Careful, please. Really careful. Not yet.
It was so far from being there.
Man.
What is wrong?
A cat got too close to a candle and its tail caught on fire. The outer layer of fur was protecting the cat, which is why the cat didn't freak out.
Why is he just watching it?
Oh, that hurts.
You probably can't feel it, dude.
Oh yeah, because we have fur.
Yeah.
Talk about it a second.
Oh my god.
It's a no.
I have
What
never
a
seen a
mean
cat
cat.
run in cursive before.
What?
Well, what?
I need a cat that walks like that.
Why?
Unfortunately, Oliver, as you know, your sales have not increased, for this month. So, unfortunately, we have decided that we will need to be letting you go.
Oh no.
This behavior is not professional, and I will be calling security.
No way.
It's just crazy. It's not
gonna
funny.
be. Can't shut him out of that room.
Oh, I know exactly what's gonna happen. Oh. His name is John Cena. Oh, which is cute. Thank you guys for watching. Like this video if you want more videos like this. Bye.
See ya.